best thing about my job? There's too many things. I guess just working in the environment is the best thing in the world, really. I mean, look at it. It's amazing. My name's Charlie. I am a horticulturalist and I work at the Royal Botanic Gardens, Kew. So, horticulture is, in simple terms, gardening. But it's quite a wide range, really. It could be anything from doing something as simple as pruning or sowing seed, creating little pockets of ecosystems for wildlife, to going in the depths of science where you're crossbreeding species or deep diving into genes of plants. Caring for plants is just a bit like looking after a pet. Every plant has a different need of care. Some plants like to be watered more, some like to be watered less. Some like specific soils, some like shade, some like sunlight. Everything is so unique, so you need to understand how each plant works and how they like to be kept to keep them happy and keep them going. A reason why I'm cutting this back is because when bulbs die back, the benefit from cutting back the herbaceous growth on top helps restore the energy into this section here, so it has more energy to grow back the following year. I had no idea what I wanted to do. I was bouncing between jobs. I always had a bit of a green thumb, so I was sort of prompt to go for the Kew apprenticeship. Later down the line, I ended up getting the job here, and now I'm living the dream. Kew is very special. Kew is like a museum for plants. Thousands of plants from all over the world, all with scientific importance. We have plants that are almost extinct that are only here at Kew, to things that you'll find everywhere. Working in a place like this, you really realise how important nature is. Our climate itself is changing. We're heading to a more Mediterranean state climate. So our native plants that are used to those very wet, cold, long winters and still mild summers, where we're getting exclusively hotter, our plants are starting to die out. What we're doing to combat climate change is that we're looking at species of plants, especially trees within the same families, that can still benefit us and give us what those plants give us today, but thrive for that future climate in our country, but also across the planet. As a young person, finding a career in something that you enjoy, if it's in horticulture or anything else, go for it, because knowing myself that I'm making not only a major contribution to the environment and helping with those problems like climate change, but also feeling so privileged to be in a place like I am today. There is no better feeling of that joy and proudness that you are making a difference and doing something that you truly love.